So we have an itemized list of office furniture products. We want to convert this into a simple list with each product displayed X number of times according to its value in the quantity column. We can achieve this with a single formula. Starting with the REPT function, in the first argument we reference the product range and concatenate it with a hyphen. In the second we reference the quantities. This gives us a spilled result with each repeated value separated by a hyphen. Next, we nest this in concat to combine these values so they appear in the same cell. The final stage is to wrap all of this in TextSplit's first argument. Put 2 commas after, as we don't want a column delimiter, but we do want our row delimiter to be a hyphen. And then put true in the last argument to ignore empty cells. This correctly splits up the value to give us the final result we're after.